Hello everyone. I'm going to quickly show you how you can use VFS Chrome extension to compete with other bots for visa appointment slots on VFS Global. I guess I don't need to tell you how frustrating an experience it can be to use VFS Global. Um, but anyway, let's start. First, you need to come to Chrome Web Store, which is chromewebstore.google.com. And once you're in this website, you need to search VFS in the search bar. Click it, and it should be the first entry. At least it's for me. It's called VFS Visa Appointment Accelerator. Click into this extension, and then you install it. Click the install button because I've already installed it, so I don't have that option. Once you install it, you can ping the extension from here, and then after that, you should see the icon on the menu bar. Next, we can go to VFS Global. So for this demo, I'm going to use Netherlands visa application website from the UK. So first, let's go to the login page. So if you put the login credentials in the Chrome pop-up UI, it will handle the login automatically for you, so you don't have to do it repeatedly when you are logged out. So this is fully automatic. And if you enable auto OTP from the UI, it will read the OTP code automatically and verify it, so you don't have to touch any of this. Because I've already recorded the form before, as you can see, it is auto recording for replaying the form for me, so I don't need to refill the form every time. I think VFS logs you out every 30 minutes, if I'm not wrong. And once the form is filled, you should see a pop-up saying auto check active. So at the moment, it will check if there's available slots every 2 minutes. Obviously, this is to avoid us getting banned by VFS Global if we check too often. So once there's a slot, you will progress to the next stage. At that point, you will receive another OTP verification code. So again, if you have enabled auto OTP from the UI, yeah, it should automatically verify that for you. So you jump to the calendar page directly, so you can select the slots and finish onto the payment stage. That's pretty much it. Good luck, everyone.